recording.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with Kevin today. We're doing some off-road in Arizona, and where we're at, I don't know. We're just off-road. Somewhere in Arizona. Looks like we're on the cow pasture because there's lots of cow patties. We're just kind of exploring on the
I think
CRF.
we're riding down Bodie Canyon. I believe this is that same road. I was thinking so, and it looks like it. See?
Well, it could be because, yeah, there's that
and here's
creek.
that downhill section when we start going to.
Oh, is this the one where we went when we came to Bodie? We're on the same road. I did not want to pick the same road.
Yeah, this is that road because it's kind of rough right here, and then it completely smooths out down there at the bottom, I bet.
Oh my goodness. I remember it being this rough down the hill, but it might have been.
I think it got washed out a little bit more. It wasn't that rough.
It may have.
Now this red on the left side was here. Yeah, some of this washed out just a little bit more than what it was. I washed out a decent bit more than what it was. But yeah, see how much this has grown up?
It does look like it.
It is it. It's just that it hasn't grown up. I mean, it's grown up like the grass has. And it's grown up in the trail. That's what I was thinking on the way up here. I was thinking it was that trail, but...
Whoa, that's sand.
grown up, and it was.
Here's these stock tires in the sand. You got to watch it. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. It's going to go out here, and then we got to take a right and go back across that creek. Yep. And we'll come out of that gate if we do. So I'm pretty sure we had to come out on a gate at the road.
I was thinking that's where we turned out whenever we got off on that road and we first stopped. I was thinking that that was the canyon road.
Well, I was hoping it was further out than that.
I almost said something about it.
So we need to go right down here.
Yeah.
On down.
Yeah, it's up here, right before that elevation.
It's still a good ride through here. I like this spot.
Yeah, it is. It's a fun little ride. It's not bad. I like it how it just comes out here in the middle of like the ranch.
So the right's going to be right up here somewhere. Yeah, Dad, it's
through
that's
there. Slick right there. Be careful. Yeah, it's right there.
Yep, that's it. Sure enough. I'm 100% positive we are here now.
Oh, that was a little bit more rough than last time.
It is washed out a little more than last time, so that's a cool thing about out here. You go back later and it's like a new trail that you haven't been on.
Last time that was all rocky. Now it's all washed through to where it's smooth mostly through there.
No doubt.
That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, that is the cool thing about this being in the bottom. It does change.
Yeah.
Whenever it rains. Yeah, it's gotten really sandy out here. See how the sand is washed up here?
No doubt. Well, we can take this back out and go left when we get to the gate and find another one then. I'm in a rut.
Yeah, the trail's getting
I'm in a heck of a rut.
That's not the trail, that's why.
I know.
It got grown up in grass. I thought it was the trail. I almost went there.
Well, it's grass. Man, these tires suck. I just done a review video on these tires and the stock RC tires. These done on D605s, explaining how bad they suck. For off-roading.
Watch that right-hand side.
And I'll go left. Oh yeah, there's a big ditch there.
Yeah,
don't want to go in.
Damn, it's gonna sandy through here.
Don't say Sam. These tires will freak out and make you crash.
Yeah.
Scare them.
Front tire got a little bit looser on that.
Yeah, I did too. I felt it.
Yeah, me too. Got wobbly.
It started walking on me.
Yeah, that's the most I felt it walk so far whenever standing up in a corner. Kind of sketchy.
These tires definitely get worse the longer you ride them.
Oh, definitely.
Than
They
when
get
they're new.
more and more bald.
Yeah, once they round off, there ain't no traction in. You round off those sharp new edges. This is some of those trails where you don't want to ride in that grass in the middle, because there'd be dang rocks sticking up in there. You gotta stay in the tire track.
Oh yeah.
Because you can't see the rocks. If I remember right, we're going to come to a gate right up here. Yep. There's the gate. Why, I don't know, because it's not fenced all the rest of it over there, but it is right here.
Probably because that's open range for the cattle on this side.
I mean, they could get out over there. They could come in here. I don't know. The other side, ain't it? Oh.
Oh yeah, it is the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of rolling hills out in there.
Yeah, it's nice out here.
Looks like we're going to go down in there.
Yep. That's probably what that road is up there is this road. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
What we got here? Oh, good. It's cattle guard instead of a gate.
Yeah, I thought it was another gate at first.
We're going to go down a little canyon here.
Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, look at that big ledge rock wall down
That's
there.
cool. This is called Jones Canyon.
That looks like a place where like Indians probably would have set up camp down there or something, you know. If I was around here back then, that's probably where I would have down here.
I hope we're not going to these people's house. We might be. It don't look like it.
They probably just have a turnoff off of this end of their property. Whoa.
Yeah, watch that one. That's a big one.
That'd be better the other way.
Yeah, I would. Uphill.
Because the
downhill ones are kind of freaky, but uphill's a lot better.
Yeah, it's also because that other coming this way, it's the short end of it, so it's gonna kick your back tire up.
Yeah.
Or back end up. Oh, that's cool. Back down in the creek bottoms.
So we're kind of southeast of Sierra Vista, Arizona is where we're at.
Well, this is pretty alright through here.
Yeah. Well, we don't get shot, it's pretty alright.
Scotty would like this ride.
Yeah, this is a good one.
A nice, easy ride. You know, beautiful down through here.
Mm-hmm. Come down through here when it's pouring rain.
Yeah.
It might be a lot of
Looks
water.
like there might be another fence we open right here.
Please close the gate. Usually when it says, please close the gate, usually you're okay to be in here.
Yeah, because it's just telling you be nice and respect our property and close the gate, you know?
Right.
It is pretty cool that their property is like that through here. Instead of just saying, keep the heck away.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The way it is in Missouri.
Yeah. Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, everything says no trespassing, keep out, or you will be shot.
Yeah.
Or government-owned land, stay out.
I guess I'll let you close it, but you're...
Yeah.
So this here looks like we go to the right this way, or... I don't know. It kind of shows we go this way first and then go right.
I was about to say, it almost looks like it goes off to the left.
But I see a sign up there that says posted that way. That may not be where we're going, but that may be just the property, not the road.
Yeah. We'll find out.
Posted. Private property.
So that probably is the house past here, maybe.
I don't know. But the road's right over there. Are we going to come up on
Unless
that?
it's talking about on the land.
Are we going to come up on that house, or should we go that way? I don't know if that one don't even show it on the map.
There ain't no shame in finding out.
Where was that house at?
I don't know. From where we are, I can't really tell. Okay, we're up along the bluffs right here, so probably off to like our 10 o'clock maybe. Or 9 o'clock, somewhere in there. Yeah, this road might go to that house. Probably rolling right up these people's driveway.
That's what I'm worried about.
Yeah, there's a private gate right there.
We don't go that way. It shows there's a road to the right here. It ain't.
So maybe we go up that other road to the right. Oh yeah, it would have to be probably that other road to the right because that one road looked like it went up the other, like through that one way.
Check this out. How often do you see water in a creek in Arizona?
Yeah, I know. It's like consistently here. That it looks like a fresh spring. That looks like really clean water.
It does. I'd say it's coming out right up there around them bluffs. Spring coming out there.
Too bad this private property right here. If that wasn't posted, we could like park our bikes right here and then go look off down that ledge.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that way, I don't know if that goes anywhere or not. We'll just have to see, I guess.
We can roll up and find out.
Looks like it just goes back to the fence to another gate. It does.
Oh, so there was a road that kept going up there.
I guess that's the road right there. I'll get it. So we know if we come down this one, we turn and go one gate right into another. Basically, if you just come up that hill right there, if you could, you wouldn't even have to go through the gate. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes. When you have to go through the gate, all you have to do is turn right, get right here. There it is. All we had to do was ride right up. There's a road here, a trail.
Probably from people saying, screw that.
There's a trail right here. You come up through here, don't even have to open the gate.
Yeah, because people were probably thinking the same thing. Why would we open and close whenever we can just go through there?
That's crazy. Pretty decent little climb.
Coming up on your right.
Yeah, I know, because you wanted to jump that jump.
Fun little trail right here.
That's a nice one.
Oh, I just kicked up a big rock. Felt that sucker hit the bottom of my foot. Woo! Got a little bit more air than I thought right there. Especially my front end.
There's a windmill out here.
Yeah. And a solar panel.
Yep.
Oh, okay. It's for water. It's to pump water.
Mm-hmm. They got a pond there and a water tank and have a big water trough.